Welcome to the magical world. Do you love fairy tales? Then you're in the right place. Our channel is filled with the most magical, enchanting, and heartwarming stories for all ages. Don't miss a single story. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, share with your friends. Let's explore a world of wonder together.
The squirrel and the golden nut. Once upon a time, deep in the forest, lived a little red squirrel named Toddick. He was fast, playful, and a little mischievous. He spent his days jumping from tree to tree, playing with friends. But Toddick had one big dream: to find the golden nut. According to legend, there was a special golden nut hidden somewhere in the forest. Whoever ate it would become strong, wise, and very brave. But to find it, one had to pass 3 tests. One day, while sitting on a branch, Toddick met the wisest creature in the forest, Grandpa Crow. "Grandpa Crow, you know everything. Tell me, is the golden nut real?" Toddick asked. The crow nodded. "Yes, it is real. But only the most hardworking, kind, and brave animal can find it. Are you ready?" "Of course. I will do anything," Toddick said excitedly. First test: patience. Grandpa Crow told Toddick to stand at the base of a big oak tree without moving for 30 minutes. "What kind? I could find the golden nut right now," Toddick grumbled. But he tried standing still. 5 minutes passed. He got bored. 10 minutes. His body wanted to move. 20 minutes. A butterfly landed nearby. "Oh, I can't do this," Toddick jumped up. Grandpa Crow shook his head. "True heroes are patient. Try again." This time, Toddick stayed still. It was hard, but he endured. He passed the test. Second test: kindness. Toddick went to the middle of the forest and saw a little rabbit crying. "What happened, Rabbit?" Toddick asked. "My carrot fell into the river, and now I have no food," the rabbit sobbed. Toddick thought for a moment and then handed his nut to the rabbit. "Here, take my nut. You won't be hungry." The rabbit smiled. "Thank you, Toddick. You are truly kind." Second test completed. Third test: courage. Now Toddick was close to the golden nut. But suddenly, he saw a deep river in front of him. "Oh no, I'm afraid of water." Toddick hesitated. But he took, "I will pass this test too." He carefully walked across a fallen log, keeping his balance. Third test passed. The golden nut. After completing all the tests, Toddick arrived at the golden nut tree. "I did it," he cheered, biting into the golden nut. But it tasted just like a normal nut. Grandpa Crow laughed. "The true magic of the golden nut is inside you. You are now patient, kind, and brave. That is the real treasure." Toddick thought for a moment. He had searched for the golden nut, but he had found something even more valuable: hard work, kindness, and courage. From that day on, Toddick was no longer just a playful squirrel. He helped his friends and faced challenges with confidence. Lessons from the story: patience is the key to great success. Helping others brings true happiness. Overcoming fear is the greatest bravery.